नहीं, पैथोलॉजिकली ऐसा संबंध नहीं है, नहीं पैथोलॉजिकली संबंध नहीं है। पैथोलॉजिकल संबंध रेडनेस का इतना ही है, congestion of your blood vessels with more supply of blood out of what, बोलो, face is for मैंने बोला ना, चीज़ें अभी things will be very simplified. Face is for facing. Face is facing something with redness. What is the meaning of this thing? And face is facing something with paleness. What is the meaning of this thing? All the pale faces, yellow faces. Just we had gone through the constriction of the blood vessels in this area. Similarly, apply this same thing here. But this organ of our body is working for karma. Face is for facing. You are facing environmental signal challenges on your face, and body is trying to face this environment with more increased push of the blood vessels, blood, right? You might be observed the people who used to blush very fastly, no? There is one color going and one color coming and one color going. You have seen all these people. Basically, they are trying hard to face you. Every person who is facing you with red face is putting lot of energy to face you, and sulfur is doing the same thing. Every person with a red face is doing the same thing. So what is the relationship of this thing? Some sympathetic kind of, some kind of could not able to got observed, looked at feeling, murder feeling. जो भी बाहर से, all the signals you are getting from the environment are somewhere you can say hurting you, and you are trying very hard to face all these situations. So equation of this case will be element from death is basically very hard for her to face. Yes. You can relate this way, or this constitution is sulfur is, though we people say sulfur is very expressive, very thin, but when you go through the lack of sulfur, lack of laxis, lack means inner part of all these remedies, all these behaviors are basically defense mechanism of something. So sulfur internally very timid, very small, very much lack, but trying to express himself by boasting, by, you can say, being greater and being king. All these are the defense mechanism of inner small sulfur, right? And along with sulfur is very affectionate, feeling forsaked, and all these sub cheezein hain. It is a very great polycust remedy, but all the lacks are trying to defend by different ways. We are trying to defend by different ways. So all these relationships you have to understand on the general level, on the pathological level, on the hammer level, on the homeopathic level. Then things will be